This video is about angles in a unit circle. A circle with a radius of 1 unit is called a unit circle. This is a unit circle, which means the radius equals 1. There are 4 quadrants in a unit circle. Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and Quadrant 4. In this unit circle, we can sketch any angles. Here is the definition of positive angles in a unit circle. Counterclockwise from positive x-axis. As we know in geometry, angle is made up of 3 parts: vertex, initial side, terminal side. In a unit circle, the vertex is the origin. Positive x-axis is always the initial side of the angle in a unit circle. Negative angles will be clockwise from positive x-axis. In other words, this way we will have positive angles. Clockwise from positive x-axis will be negative angles. Remember, for positive and negative angles, the positive x-axis is always the initial side of the angle, and origin will be the vertex. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, go back to 360 degree. For negative angles, negative 90 degree, negative 180 degree, negative 270 degree, negative 360 degree, 45 degree, counterclockwise from a positive x-axis. This is a 45 degree. 145 degree. Just estimate. As long as the terminal side is in the correct quadrant, we count that correct. This is 145 degree. 345 degree. Remember, the initial side is a positive x-axis. So this is 345 degree. Let's write the degrees on the terminal side. Let's go to next degree, 405 degree. We know a circle is 360 degree. 405 degree is greater than 360, so we minus 360 degree, we got 45 degree. Which means 45 degree and 405 degree share the same terminal side. So we can sketch the angle like this. (405 degrees). Since 45 degrees and 405 degrees share the same terminal side, we call 45 degrees and 405 degrees coterminal angles. Coterminal angles have the same trig functions. 505 degrees. 505 degrees subtract 360. We got 145 degrees. Let's draw this angle. (505 degrees). Now let's sketch -45 degrees. Clockwise from a positive x-axis will be negative degree. -45 degrees go this way. -145 degrees. Clockwise from a positive x-axis is -145 degrees. -315 degrees. -315 degrees. So we got -315 degrees, 45 degrees, and 405 degrees are coterminal angles. -215 degrees. This is -270 degrees. -180 degrees. Since 145 degrees plus 215 degrees equals 360 degrees. So we got this is -215 degrees. In other words, we have -215 degrees, 505 degrees, and 145 degrees are coterminal angles. -505 degrees. We add 360 degrees. We got -145 degrees. -505 degrees. Question 2. Name all the coterminal angles on the unit circle based on the given angle. This is a 45 degrees. 45 degrees plus 360 degrees. Then times n. This n is all integers. All integers include negative integers. If we are given the angle theta, then the coterminal angles will be theta plus 360 degrees times n. N is all integers. If theta is in radian, then theta plus 2 pi times n. N is integers. To show all angles that share the same terminal side with theta in radian. Remember, In a unit circle, all coterminal angles have the same trig functions.